Hello and welcome to this virtual house tour. I'm Dave, your guide for today, and I'm absolutely delighted to have you here. Let's get started and discover the wonders of this extraordinary property, shall we?
Yes, absolutely. What is the area of this space?
Certainly, this property has 3 floors. The built-up area is 6,000 square feet, and carpet area is 4,000 square feet. Let's take a step inside. At the entrance, the elegant foyer stands tall with its high ceilings and soft, ambient lighting that comes together to create a sense of grandeur. The sleek flooring stretches out before us and stylish decor adds a touch of sophistication to the space.
What type of decor has the property been styled with?
Each room comprises of distinctive furniture, decor, lighting, and accessories that give it its signature modern look. This is the spacious living room. The windows bathe the room in abundant natural light. The open floor plan effortlessly links the living room with adjoining areas of the house. And the ceiling design, adorned with intricate patterns and stylish fixtures, bestows an air of refinement and grace upon this gathering space. Before we move ahead, would you like to see the ensuite area built for some quiet time? Tucked away from the hustle and bustle, this area provides a private haven where families and friends can unwind, engage in meaningful conversations, and partake in shared activities. This living space has an area of 200 square feet. The length is 20 feet and the width is 10 feet. It would be great for a seating area for a family of 6. Now to the most exciting space. You can immerse yourself in the lively bar area, where the harmonious blend of clinking glasses, spirited conversations, and peals of laughter create an electric atmosphere.
What is the height of the counter?
The height of the counter is 10 feet. Let's explore the kitchen. This modern kitchen area is a fusion of form and function, with high gloss finishes, integrated appliances, and ample storage options that allow for a streamlined and organized cooking space.
What is the durability of this plywood finish?
Plywood finishes are known for their resistance to wear and tear, scratches, fading and stains. They provide a tough protective surface. This property also hosts a magnificent dining area. With its proximity to the kitchen, the dining area offers convenience and accessibility, providing an inviting atmosphere for dining, where the flavors of culinary creations can be savored to the fullest.
Can you show me some other options for dining tables?
Join me as we climb the stairs and venture into the captivating realm of the first floor. The first floor opens the door to another living area that is a sanctuary of tranquility, featuring a combination of soft colors, natural materials, and cozy textiles. This living room is cozier than the one on the ground floor.
I would like to customize the space. What are my options?
There are various options available for the flooring. Would you like to take a look?
Yes.
You can tailor the flooring to your desired aesthetic with the villa's versatile range of options like hardwood, tile, marble and laminate flooring. Here's the catalog. The serene bedroom calls with its cozy ambience, dedicated to rest and relaxation. Thoughtfully furnished with a soothing color palette, it's an ideal space for rejuvenation. Key features include a sleek minimalist design, plush bedding, high-quality materials, subtle accents, integrated storage, and a calming aesthetic.
Do all the bedrooms come with their own bathrooms?
Yes, they do, and a walk-in closet as well. The house features beautifully designed bathrooms that combine functionality and style seamlessly. From the spacious vanity with ample storage to the contemporary fixtures and soothing color scheme, it offers a practical yet sophisticated environment.
How difficult is the property to be maintained?
With proper planning, organization and occasional professional assistance, you can manage the maintenance effectively. After exploring all the delightful features, it's time to discuss the exciting prospects of making this property your own.
Yes, I would like to discuss.
Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour. It has been a pleasure to showcase this exceptional property to you. I am now connecting you with the agent to discuss the necessary paperwork.